Good morning, friends. So today's science project is called Fizzy Ice. You're going to need a bowl of ice, food coloring, some droppers, some baking soda, vinegar, and some test tubes, or you can use cups. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put vinegar in either your cups or your test tubes, okay? You can use either white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, it doesn't matter. So you're just going to put a couple of drops of each color. And there you go. And then you're going to take and you're going to put some baking soda on your ice. Put a lot so you can hear that fizz and you can see the fizz. Okay? All right, friends. Miss Rosie's almost ready. Let's try the green one. Let's see. I want you to listen so you can hear. Ooh, do you hear the fizzing and it's bubbling all up? You see that? All right, it's fizzing and it's bubbling up. Look at that. Do you hear that? Whoop, I need more. Ooh, look at that. Let's try another color. All right, let's try blue. Oh, I love this one. This is so wonderful. Ooh, I hear the fizz. Do you hear that fizz, guys? Okay, over here. Ooh, and look at the bubbles. Then you can pour it all around and you can mix all the colors that you want. Okay, friends, try this at home and send me a video. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.